What's up, folks? I want to share just a quick reflection coming off of this training this last weekend on dismantling white supremacy culture in schools. I won't say the particulars of this because that might be a little too embarrassing, but I will say that when we do this type of work, this anti-racist work, this disruptive work, shit gets stirred up, right? And, if it's not enough if we just come to a place and we feel good afterwards, right? If we feel comfortable and we feel like we accomplished everything, that's not enough. It's actually more important and more beneficial if the shit gets stirred up. And usually that shit is internal shit in ourselves, right? A miscommunication, a misunderstanding, a question, an emotional response, right? And if we dig into that individually, we find something, right? And that if we're open to that, that takes us to the next stage of growth for ourselves as individuals. And we're all on our own path. I'm on my own path, and some shit came up for me. Now, if we dig into it collectively, that's when we start exploring what's going on. Someone makes a comment and you want to know what's up with that comment and the response to that comment and response to that comment. And if we dig beneath that using some sort of a theoretical frame or a lens or some questions, we'll get somewhere, right? But it's not enough to just go there and feel like you did it, you made it. It's better if the shit comes down, right? It's better if it gets stirred up, right? We want to see that stuff. We want to get to the heart of the matter, the difficult stuff, the uncomfortable stuff. Dig through that and figure out where are we at on the other end of that to make sure that we are still centering the marginalized and the oppressed through the process. It's about race. It's not always about race. It often is about race. It's not always about race. We gotta dig through that. So with that, it was a great time. If you're not stirring up some shit in the work, you might not be getting anywhere, right? Let's do it.